ducks, let's have some fun. Bad time starts, come everyone. Flap your wings and splash around. Happy little quacking sound. 5 little ducks went in the tub. Splashing, splashing, rub-a-dub-dub. Bubbles up and bubbles down. Water splashing all around. But one little duck said, "I'll go play," and waddled off and went away. 4 little ducks in water blue, playing games and saying quack quoo. Floating toys and bubbles bright. Bath time fun feels just right. But one little duck said, "I'm done too," and waddled off. Now there are 2 less than you knew. 3 little ducks, splash, 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 making waves and having a dash. Giggle, wiggle, tails go shake, tiny ripples that they make. But one little duck went out the door and waddled away. Now there are 2 more. 2 little ducks in bubbly cheer. Splish splash fun is still right here. Rubber ducky floats nearby. Water sparkles oh so high. But one little duck said, "Time to run," and waddled away. Now there is one little duck all alone, playing softly with a tiny groan. Little bubbles pop so slow.